爆竹蛋糕等等，让人看了眼睛为之一亮。而您知道吗？这些创意全部都是出自一位法国主厨之手。
The smoked chocolate is a 65% chocolate.
表情认真、全神贯注制作甜点，依序装上用巧克力做的舌头、耳朵。不一会儿功夫，一只可爱小狗的脸就完成了。他就是5星饭店法国甜点主厨伯里安。身为台湾女婿的他，对于这块土地有着深厚感情，也让他的甜点处处都有台湾文化痕迹。
Basically, I wanted to have something very, very Chinese, very, very festive. Of course, the dog ear, so that's why I created dog cookie because the dog ear is very important, and also my ear. So that's the reason I want to make something very, very cute and very attractive.
虽然是法国人，但2015年和台湾妻子结婚后，就一直待在台湾饭店工作。属狗的他这次特别规划一系列春节甜点，不只有可爱的小狗饼干，还有应景的爆竹蛋糕和象征步步高升的庙宇塔，充满浓厚过节气氛，且用的都是台湾在地食材。
We're really using the Taiwanese kumquat, which is confit and a different type. One is confit and one is a jam. Okay, confit is like cooked in a sugar syrup, and the other one we make a homemade jam, use the Taiwanese kumquat.
热爱台湾的伯里安对于发掘台湾在地食材相当热衷，而他的甜点作品成功融合东西方文化，创造出属于自己风格独一无二的创意甜点。精致外形让顾客惊艳，更让人讶异，这样充满年节气氛的巧思是出自于一位台湾女婿巧手。八大新闻会庭赖成伟。